Good morning, we're in Baia Mare and I just treated myself to cabbage pancake.
Yes.
Went to the market and we got some chestnuts, famous chestnuts, the most popular street food here in Baia Mare.
But unfortunately they're not cooked, so you have to put them in the oven.
We'll have to do this together.
Do you have a miracle way of roasting all these chestnuts in one go right now?
A miracle way?
Yeah.
I would, and I need a big fire.
Well, you are dressed like a lumberjack, you look like you can make a fire.
Don't judge a book by its covers. Okay?
And looks like we arrived in the city center. It looks nice here. There's a fountain. Let's go check out the fountain.
Oh, the fountain?
Yes, let's see the fountain. Supposedly this fountain is special. Oh, and there's also a small little river flowing towards the fountain. Good job, Baia Mare. You look nice. Look, there's a guy who is sitting in the fountain. He's just lounging, and water is flowing on top of him. And legend has it that at midnight he rises and he levitates above the water.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
But nobody stayed here till actually midnight to watch him levitate.
So what is so popular about Baia Mare? I think it's the administrative center of Maramureș.
There used to be a lot of gold mines here.
Yeah.
And they had a big factory. But nowadays, not anymore. The factory has been destroyed, and now only the tower is still left somewhere outside of the city. But other than that, they try to make it more modern for tourists, and I don't know, they renovated the buildings, which in my opinion they look nice. So we should go and check out some more landscapes.
When you think of Baia Mare, you think about this tower, which is the Tower of Stephan. It was originally a church, and St Stephan is a saint in the Roman Catholic belief. And wherever you're going in Baia Mare, you can see this tower, and everybody knows it. It's a meeting point for the locals, and this tower was a church, and now the only remains we have, you can see them in these little boxes, beautifully preserved. I think the most impressive thing in Baia Mare is how the people managed to combine the old and the new, and how they managed to renovate and bring to life the old buildings and the old alleys and pathways and fountains in the middle of the city. The old buildings, the restored buildings, are now colorful, and the middle square, the square here where we are now, it's surrounded by trees, and I love this thing. It's a little park, pedestrian alley, and people can walk here and relax and enjoy the old buildings which are being brought back to life. This being said, I think you can also see Stephan's tower here in the background. We told you when we were there, people can see this tower from everywhere in the city. It is quite the sight, being like so medieval and with all the stones on its facade. I think it's beautiful. And we have a little stream of water here. People are sitting and enjoying coffee. The only thing about nowadays is the fact that it feels warmer than in the northern part of the country, maybe because here is warmer. and this is why everything is still somehow green. You can have some takeaway and sit on one of these benches here at the bottom of a tree and just enjoy your coffee or a sandwich and I don't know, enjoy the warm rays of sun in the middle of autumn. That being said, we're gonna search for our car and continue our journey.
Enjoying your dessert?
Hey guys, we finally made it to Cluj for the first time ever. Like the first time. We got up on a hill and there are a lot of and now we're sitting down and we are enjoying our food, our drinks, and let's see where this night will take us. There are a lot of food trucks here. This is also where we got our food from, which is now empty because we were super hungry. But you can come here and order your food from the food trucks, grab a table, sit here, enjoy the weather, enjoy the atmosphere, the nice people around. You can grab a cup of beer, a glass of beer, and just drink of it, tell some stories with your friends, spend some nice time. This place reminds me a lot of Electric Castle Festival, which we both attended a few years ago.
Yeah,
and
it was a fun time.
it was amazing.
Okay, what a better way to spend the evening than with a hot sandwich and some beer and some soup and in this amazing place and in this amazing garden. So that being said, guys, it's time to go home and rest for the night, and let's see where the road takes us tomorrow. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.
And from Cluj, we salute you.